Hello pawb, hello everyone, I'm Kate from Talk and Play, and today I'm going to read you a story about a cat called Dave, so I hope you all enjoy. Dave was big and quite fantastic. And so were his dinners. They're very big. After an enormous breakfast, Dave headed outside for a snooze in the sun. He pushed his head through the cat flap and placed one paw in front of the other, but he couldn't move. Dave was stuck. Hi there, sniggered a bug. You'll never guess what's happened to Dave, the bug whispered to the dog. He's stuck. The dog told the caterpillar told the birds told the squirrels told the hedgehogs, and soon everyone in the garden knew. Oh no, how embarrassing! The animals got together and decided to help set Dave free. Dog thought he could scare him free. Woof! And Dave was scared. Ah! But he was also still stuck. The animals wondered if they could tempt Dave out with tasty treats. Yum, yum. But worms were definitely not Dave's idea of a tasty treat. Oh, no, he doesn't like those. They even tried to tickle Dave out. But it was no good. He was still stuck. Suddenly, the bug had a bright idea. I wonder what he's going to do. Let's feed him beans. It was a strange plan, but Dave opened his mouth wide as the animals catapulted beans into it, one after another. Dave liked this game a lot. Dave caught more beans and more beans and more beans until Dave shook. The ground shook. Something very big was about to happen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Oh! It was a long walk home for Dave, but when he finally got home, boy, was he hungry. Oh, I like that book, everybody. That's one of my favourite books. Thank you for listening, everyone. I will see you soon. Take care. Hwyl fawr. Bye.